Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Leadpages A B testing for conversion optimization. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate A B testing in Leadpages, start by logging into your Leadpages account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll see your current landing pages. Select the landing page you want to optimize for A B testing. Click on the Edit button to open the page editor. In the page editor, locate the option for A B testing in the left-hand menu. Click on A B testing to access the A B testing features. Next, you will see an option to create a new variant. Click on Create New Variant to start duplicating your main page. You can make specific changes to this variant, such as altering headlines, images, or call to action buttons. Once you've made your changes, click on Save to preserve your variant. After saving, you'll need to configure your A B test settings. Choose the traffic distribution for your test. You can distribute traffic evenly or favor one variant to gather quicker data. Next, click on Start A B Test to activate the test. Leadpages will begin collecting data on the performance of each variant. Monitor the results through the A B testing dashboard. Analyze metrics such as conversion rates, views, and click-through rates. After a sufficient testing period, review the performance data. Decide which variant performs better based on the collected metrics. To conclude your A B test, choose the winning variant. You can now set the winning variant as your primary landing page. Finally, implement any additional improvements based on the insights gained. This process will help optimize your conversions, enhancing your overall marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.